In this video, we'll be telling about how to delete your Facebook page permanently. We are not telling about deleting Facebook account, we are telling about deleting Facebook page. For this, first what we need to do is open your Facebook application. After that, above you can see your profile button. Click on this profile button. When you are clicking on that, here you can see pages option. Click on pages. When you are clicking on that, you can see every pages you are managing. From here, select the Facebook page which you want to delete. In my case, I want to delete this Facebook page. So I am selecting this page. After that, above you can see this page profile button. Click on that profile button. And when you are clicking on that, above you can see settings option. If you are not able to see settings here, down here you can see settings and privacy. In settings and privacy, you can see settings. Either you can select settings from here or from here. Anyways, after selecting settings, above you can see search settings option. Click on this search settings and here search for delete. And when you are searching for delete, you can see one option, delete page and information. Click on this option. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a new page like this. Here you can see two options, deactivate page and delete page. In this video, we are telling about deleting page. So select second option, delete page. After that, click on this continue button. When you are clicking on continue, they are asking reason for your deletion. Select any of the option. For example, I am selecting this option. After that, here you can see continue button. Click on this continue. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a new page like this. Here you can see some options. If you want to save post in this page to archive, you can do that. Or if you want to download information in this page, you can download. Here you can see download your information. Click on this download info and it will be downloaded. Or if you want to transfer post, photos or videos in this page to another account, you can do that. Here you can see transfer info option. If you don't want to do that, you can skip. Anyways, after that, down here you can see continue option. Click on continue. When you are clicking on continue, you will be asked to enter your password. After entering password, click on this continue button. When you are clicking on that, again you will be asked to confirm your deletion. Here click on continue. Again you will reach a new page. Here you can see delete page option. One thing you should notice that within 30 days, if you are again logging to this account will be reactivated. So if you want to delete this account permanently, after deletion process is completed, you should not log into this account. Anyways, to delete this account permanently, click on this delete page option. When you are clicking on that, you will be logged out of that account. After that, in your main Facebook page, if you are clicking on this profile button, here you can see pages option and here you can see that page under deactivated pages section. Here side you can see activate option. If you are clicking on that activate, this page will be again activated and deletion process will be cancelled. So important thing you should keep in mind is that for 30 days, you should not open that page. If you are leaving that page like that, that page will be deleted. So this way you can easily delete any Facebook page. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.